I'll be honest, I was skeptical when I first heard about the Corsair AI Workstation 300. Another AI-powered computer system promising unparalleled performance and efficiency? It sounded like just another marketing gimmick. But as I dug deeper, I realized that this workstation is actually built on some solid technology. The AI-powered cooling system, for example, uses machine learning algorithms to monitor the system's temperature and adjust fan speeds accordingly. It's a clever move that could potentially lead to significant heat dissipation improvements. And then there's the custom liquid cooling solution, which Corsair claims can deliver up to 25% better performance than traditional air-cooled systems. I'm not entirely convinced by these numbers, but I do know that liquid cooling can be a major bottleneck for many gamers and content creators. But what really caught my attention was the workstation's modular design. With easy swap components and a range of customization options, it feels like Corsair has finally got the hang of making PCs that cater to the needs of enthusiasts. In the end, I'm not entirely sold on the Corsair AI Workstation 300 as a revolutionary game-changer. But it does feel like a well-designed, well-engineered PC that addresses some of the common pain points in the market. If you're due for an upgrade or want to future-proof your system, it's definitely worth considering.